If you enjoyed the first part, you're in for another treat. We're diving deeper into the Stockholm 2025 collection. More texture, more timeless shapes, more reasons to fall in love with Scandinavian design. Each product still gets its own spotlight, and every link you need is right here in the description below. Let's jump in. 1. This isn't just a bowl. It's a swirling dance of blue and turquoise frozen mid-movement. Mouth-blown and full of personality, it plays with the light like ocean water in a sunbeam. Whether filled or left gloriously empty, it refuses to be ignored. 2. Soft curves, a little brass, and a whole lot of cozy. This pendant lamp floats above your table or bed like a friendly cloud, casting a warm glow that makes dinner feel like a quiet celebration. 3. This oak veneer table knows how to make an entrance. Smooth, oval, and effortlessly elegant. It's dinner party ready and built to last. It's the kind of table that earns compliments before the food even arrives. 4. A rich brown glass vase that doesn't need flowers to feel complete. It's sculptural, organic, and deliciously moody. The kind of piece you move around your house just to admire in different light. 5. Sculpted with care and wrapped in elegance, this oak and leather chair is a quiet showstopper. Its moonlight curve feels like a warm welcome, while the genuine grain leather invites you to sit and stay a while. Strong, stylish, and smooth to the touch, this is where timeless design meets daily comfort. A true Scandinavian soul in furniture form. 6. This hand-woven rug is a geometric dream with reversible sides, offering double the beauty. It's wool, it's cozy, and it turns your floor into a quiet piece of art. 7. A walnut serving set that's all about minimalism done right. These salad servers feel like an invitation to slow down and savor, even if dinner is just a Tuesday night. 8. This TV unit is elegant without trying too hard. Sliding doors keep things sleek, while its natural oak veneer quietly commands the room. Say goodbye to cord chaos. Hello, beautiful order. 9. These two gray serving plates are like your favorite neutral sweater. Casual, cozy, but with just enough flair to be special. Perfect for olives, bread, or that one friend who only eats tapas. 10. Sheer curtains that feel like a quiet sigh. They soften sunlight, add texture, and somehow make your room feel both more private and more open at once. Linen cotton magic. 11. This love seat is where form meets fabulous function. Cushy, cozy, and oh so chic. It's the kind of seat that says, just 5 more minutes and means it. A one-seat section that's anything but lonely. Modular and stylish, this piece is your sofa's favorite sidekick or your new go-to reading spot. 13. This wool cushion cover is a fiery mix of brown, red, and bright pink geometry, cozy with a wink. It's the small statement piece you didn't know you needed. 14. A bench that whispers Scandinavian design with every curve. With aniline leather and solid wood, it's the rare combination of serious style and sit-worthy comfort. 15. A shelving unit? A bench? Why not both? This versatile piece adds natural warmth and looks stunning, whether it's displaying books, supporting a cushion, or anchoring a hallway. 16. The rattan and pine cabinet that practically hums easy elegance. Sliding doors keep it smooth, while its airy feel adds charm without crowding your space. 17. This glass may look simple, but it's pure sophistication. Mouth blown with precision and minimalist charm. It's a quiet star at every dinner party or quiet solo sip. 18. A dark brown dining chair that merges tradition with modernity. The steam-bent beechwood gives it an artisan's touch, making it a showstopper whether you're eating or just admiring. 19. A poofy that's part accent, part function, and fully delightful. Gray and white with a soft texture, it's a perfect perch for your feet or a playful pop in your decor. 'That wraps up our second chapter through the effortlessly elegant world of Stockholm 2025. From sculpted glass to clever storage with soul, these pieces aren't just functional, they're future heirlooms in the making. All the links are down below, waiting patiently for your next design decision. And if there's a part 3, you know I'll be here, talking style until the sun goes down.